railroad tracks ruin everything. I've had Rubí for a little over 2 years now, and I'm just now realizing that I don't have anything in my detailing kit to restore black plastic parts, and they're pretty well known for fading over time just from normal wear and tear. Being exposed to the elements outside in the sun will fade them, and I want to take care of that, even though I know I want to get parts down the line. But for right now, I figured, you know what, why not see if we can do something about it. So it's not that it looks bad, it just doesn't look as opaque as it used to be, and I think it still looks pretty good. I've been trying to take care of her very well, and I want to also see if I can probably use the same thing on the side skirts, even though it's in the way bottom, you can't really tell. But I figured that why not go ahead and take care of that today. Oh, she looks so good from this angle. I'm gonna fix you. Something needs to happen. How are you so... Oh shit, did I just make you loose? That's what happens when you have long hair and it gets all over your gloss. You gotta be careful, because you just never know when there's a cop gonna pull up. It gets annoying. I hear it. It's already starting. Where is he at? I didn't see anything, but better safe than sorry sometimes. Even though the radar is not 100% accurate, I still think it really helps. So if you don't have one, get one, because it might just save you a ticket. And struggles. We got our boba. I got strawberry yogurt this time, and it's actually delicious. Because I did a little bit of research as to which product to use. So should I turn around? Here we go. So a lot of people actually recommend to use the Meguiar's Ultimate Black Plastic Restorator, and we're also gonna need some cotton terry application pads. Okay, that should be it. Good enough. While we still have some sunlight, here is the before of the front splitter. Yes, I still need to do tire shine, but here is the side skirt. Here's what the wing is currently looking like. And then take a look from the back. And then the driver's side of the side skirt. Moment of truth. Whoa, there is a difference. I wasn't expecting this side to be as faded, but clearly there is a distinction, and honestly, I do love how that looks. I love how that looks like if the first day I got her. And this side is not as bad as I thought it was going to be, but you can see there's a clear difference. What do we think? Looks so good. Obviously, I did the front splitter, and I think that came out amazing. I also went ahead and started doing the trim piece right here. So as you can see, it is shiny now, and you can see the Hellcat logo reflecting off of it. I think that looks really nice. It doesn't look too glossy, which is what I wanted. I also applied some on the two hood scoops here, so these plastic pieces. That was easier than I thought. I was a little nervous just because there's a lot of curves on there, but that was pretty easy. I did do the side skirts. Now, one thing I did want to mention was that obviously this is a newer car and it's not, the trim pieces are not as faded, but I still wanted to go ahead and kind of maintain it now before it got too bad. And I did do the wing, and for the emblem here, I did kind of go around it, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was, so that was pretty easy. Also, I did remove the license plate, so that way it's a little bit easier to go across through here, and honestly, I still think that came out amazing. And again, I did this trim piece down here as well. I am very impressed with the Meguiar's plastic restorer. I think this came out amazing, and I'm super happy to have this in my detailing kit now. And I'm super happy because I want to incorporate this with all of my cars moving forward. Again, it's not like the trim pieces were very faded to begin with, but it's gonna help keep them look newer longer. So I'm so happy with the way how this worked out. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe. Bye.